Hi friends, how are you all? So this is my first YouTube video and it is about one of the blogs I wrote. It says help through prayers. Now we all know the world is going through a difficult time and everything is changing right from the way we used to have our daily routine stuff and the way we used to think about future. We all know everything has changed, right? So right now we all need is patience to get over this time and also some things to work on, right? Now if we think about the topic I am going to talk about, it says help through prayers. Now yes, we can definitely physically help people and it is the best way to help people, right? But sometimes we do not have all the resources or all the time to help everyone out there who is in problem. Sometimes we don't even know that some people are in problem, right? But once we come to know, we can help them either physically or either asking God to help them in some other way. Like it is very rightly said that when you pray for someone else, they get the fruits early because it was not out of selfishness, but it was something that you were doing for someone else, and it does help them some other way because ultimate is God. Now whether it is a Hindu god or Muslim god or a Christian god, anyone anyone you believe in, or it may be the universe you are a fan of, right? Like just saying it out in the universe or anything. But help through prayers is the right thing to do right now. It can be, you can be sparing your 2 minutes of time every day in the morning or in the evening or in the middle of the day when you feel that it's the need of the hour. You can just go for it, right? Basically it helps to feel better on our side, and it does help other people who are in pain in some or the other way. We might not come to know that how did they get help, but the person who is in the pain will always be very thankful when the help is received on their end. They might thank the person in front of them, or they might thank God, or and actually that is not even my perspective, that getting appreciation and all. But yes, helping through prayers is a very good and very simple thing to help the world cope this situation and come through it. Some are in financial crisis right now, some are juggling with their health, some are juggling with their routine life, and some are not even aware what will be their future, right? So in this case it is very much important that we realize that whatever we have is more than enough and we are really blessed, and it is good if we can pray for the world, for our country, for our people, and for everyone who is in pain. Yes, God will definitely help them in some or the other way. If you can go out and physically help them, please do that. But if you cannot spare that time, or if you do not know how to do that, at least pray to God to do that. He will certainly do it, right? So that is the only thing I wanted to tell you guys through this video. Actually my blog, when I wrote, it was never about the pandemic that is going on, because I wrote it far before that. But right now I thought this topic has to have this content, not the one I wrote in blog. However, it somehow comes nearby. But my message is very clear, that help in any way possible, just help. And through prayers is a very good thing, though no matter you cannot find out that how the person got helped or anything, but it will happen to them. And so just pray and help through prayers, and let us help the world to get through this situation. Bye bye, I hope this helps.